Hello guys, it is me Atsu here, and today we're gonna be unboxing something I bought from the internet. So yeah, let's open this thing up. Oh, oh gosh, there's a hole. There's a hole, guys. I'm just gonna stick from here. Wait, God, how do they even? Okay, now plastic wrap, not plastic wrap. The bubble wrapper. Bubble wrapper. Is it called bubble wrapper? Yes, it's called bubble wrapper. So yes. So that okay. So now we got the package. It's a computer casing. I know you guys are gonna be like,
Damn it, Atsu, why you need a computer casing?
like, because I got, wait, see, I got all of this part except for this motherboard. This motherboard is broken, but like, this, all the computer parts. I was thinking about like rebuilding this, rebuilding this PC, because I do not want it to be a waste. So yeah, right now, let's open up this bad boy. Oh, what? Then okay, here we go. Side. Oh, yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Okay. Oh, I think I broke something. How do I take? Wait. Ah! How do I? What the? Oh my god, you're such a genius. There you go. Whoa, this casing looks lit, dude. Whoa, look at this casing. And I look at this. And I also bought 3 fan and whoa, what's that? Ooh, wait. What is this? Oh, I think it's like for closing the thing. And this one is their wait. Oh, they got the speaker. Like when you open up the computer, it go like, and then go like beep. Yeah. This is the thing. The speaker. Here say speaker. Can you guys see it? Come on! Oh my god, never mind. But yeah, this is speaker. It's like for the back panel stuff. So, what is this? We got lots of nuts. No, these nuts.
Got him! Got him!
Look at this. Oh yeah, and you guys will see like got a tons of the box inside. I'm gonna get right into it later. So yeah, wait, I think I need to get the freaking box out of here first. So here's my trusty screwdriver.
One eternity later.
Yes, you can see the brand is Armageddon. Armageddon. So I should put this. I'm gonna put right beside me. Okay, so here's because I also bought 3 fan with me, and then I told them that help me install the fan, cause you know I'm lazy. Yeah, I'm lazy as hell.
I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'm really sorry that I didn't upload like almost 2 weeks, I think 2 weeks, or maybe even 3. I don't know, but yeah, I'm truly sorry about that, and I'm probably gonna make 2 or even 3 videos this week. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy it, and be sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification so you can know when I upload new video. And I'll see you guys next time.